As the sun warms up the grassy slopes, other spring flowers awaken. Unfurling their large, colourful blooms, their aim is to attract the attention of insect pollinators. The black oil beetle is also drawn to the bright and sweet-smelling blossoms. A female beetle can lay over 1,000 eggs at a time, but to do so, she has to devour vast quantities of food. She heads straight for the most nutritious parts of the flower. The catkins of the pussy willow attract more visitors than any other. Each tree has either male or female flowers, so they depend on bees and butterflies to carry the pollen between them. But not all pollen makes it to the intended destination. Mining bees carry some back to their underground nests to ensure their larvae have an instant meal when they hatch.